Hey guys, welcome to another video, the 66 Shelby GT350H. Enjoy. I did this black coat just so it'll help me when I lay out the rivets, just a bit easier to see because they are so small. Feel free to tap on the links in the description for all the parts I used, paints and tools. Now these rivets are very tiny, so they are pretty delicate to work with. I just soak them in water for a couple of seconds, put them on a bit of paper towel to get the excess water off, and then after about 20 seconds I just start applying them. It's very fiddly work, but it looks really good when it's finished. I also use Mr. Mark Softer just before I lay them to help adhere them to the body. Just be careful, you can't keep pushing them back and forward or else they will wear through the paint.
Bring the funk back.
Once they have set there for a little while, I then put Mr. Mark Setter on them just to help fix them in place. It is a really painful process laying them all down, so be prepared to have sore eyes and a sore neck, but the outcome is well worth it. I just mainly spray over all the parts that I've riveted, just helps keep them in place when I need to wipe over them and later on in the stages. I lay this aluminium colour down in thin layers, and just after a few little coats I just give it a wipe down in the direction of travel, just to make a grainy sort of scratchy appearance in the aluminium. I think it looks pretty good. On the painted areas, the checkers, and on the bonnet, I just lightly scratch over it again with the aluminium colour, just make it look a little bit weathered and worn. Nothing too dramatic.
Let's make LWD models and more great again. You only need to like and subscribe. Come on, do it for your country.
It's really easy to paint these springs, have a fair bit of paint on the brush, nice pointy brush, and just sort of dry brush it over them. Looks really good. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this model. I think it came out really well. If you did, give it a like, maybe drop us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.